Is it really true that Salesforce developers make more than 50 lakh in salary per year? I came across this post on social media and I thought let's research a little bit, and what came across is really an eye opener. Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. In this video, I'm going to talk about Salesforce salaries. So please give it a thumbs up and watch this video till the end. It is going to be the most informational 5 to 7 minutes for all of you. Let's straight away deep dive into the details. All right, so let's straight away deep dive into salesforce.com website. As you can see, they claim that they are the world's #1 CRM. This is a very good website. There is a lot of stuff to read here about Salesforce, but I would like to draw your attention to the support and resources. In resources, especially, there are a lot of free things which you can use to learn, but especially this career paths. Okay, if you click on career paths, it takes you to this page where they tell you all about Salesforce skills and roles. And as you can see, there are around 4.2 million jobs worldwide expected in the Salesforce ecosystem by 2024. And you can see the distribution by region as well. So you can pause this video and read through this information. What I would like to again highlight is the average salaries on different Salesforce roles. This is of course United States data. Administrator, Salesforce admin salary is around $91K per year. Salesforce architect is around $123K. And you can read other roles as well, designers and then developers and whatnot. This is very good information, but if you want to look for India related salaries, then you need to go to linkedin.com/salary. So it is very simple. Go over here, linkedin.com/salary, and you will get a search box where you can search by company as well as search by job titles. So we will search by, let's say, Salesforce. Okay, and instead of United States, let's search for India. So when you do that, you get these results, and as you can see, Salesforce senior member of technical staff salaries, and the median is at 36 lakhs per year. You can see the range between 25 lakhs 50,000 to 51 lakhs 50,000. So whatever I was telling you in the beginning is not wrong. This is the average salary being reported over here. Also, this data is based on the data submitted by people like you and me. Okay, and if you scroll down and pause this video if you would like to, these are salaries of different roles, okay, by location. So you can see Greater Hyderabad area, Greater Bengaluru area. You can see salaries of support engineers. You can see salaries of member of technical staff and all of that. So different roles, different locations, and the average salary. If you want to deep dive more, you can just copy this particular term from here, this particular term, and go to Google. Okay, if you want to validate from other sources, go to Google and just paste it. So you will see different websites. For example, this is ambitionbox.com, 7 days old data. Here also, if you read, it is saying that the average salary for Salesforce senior member of technical staff is around 44 lakhs. Okay, this is what AmbitionBox is saying. And if you scroll down, you'll go to Glassdoor. On Glassdoor also, it is saying somewhere around 37 lakhs. So it is clear that the average salary for Salesforce skill is pretty high at this moment, because not even managers of general vanilla skills make this kind of money. Okay, so what are the various roles in the Salesforce domain? If you want to look at it, go back to their website to the career page and scroll down, and over here you see different roles. Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, architect, business analyst, marketing careers, sales careers, consultants, designers, cybersecurity, and whatnot. Okay, if you want to deep dive into one of them, for example, if we deep dive into Salesforce developer, you will see these guys have given details of what do they expect or what are the skills expected from a Salesforce developer. For example, these are some of the general skills: communication skill, customer service, writing, problem solving, project management, organization. If you scroll down, you will see technical skills like Salesforce platform, Lightning Web Components, JavaScript, application lifecycle management, object-oriented programming, Apex, system integration, etc., etc. If you want to deep dive into Apex, click on Apex and it takes you to a page where you can learn about Apex in 45 minutes. How cool is that? right? If you go over here, you can see get started with Apex. Click on this. It takes you to a page where you can learn in brief about Apex. What is Apex? It's a programming language similar to Java, etc., etc. So there are so many things which you can learn for free. Okay. So guys, Salesforce right now is being adopted by a lot of companies, and in a way it is a niche skill. So that is the reason why Salesforce people are getting paid so much. I am not saying that you should leave whatever you are doing and jump on Salesforce. This is just one example. There are other skills as well where people are getting highly paid. For example, Pega, for example, product management, and a lot of other skills. I will talk about those in the upcoming videos, but this was just to give you a gist of what is happening on the Salesforce front. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please share it in your network and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye for now.